Welcome to this video. It's Stelios from the Tesseract Academy, and today we're going to talk about how AI can help in retail success. So the retail industry is rapidly evolving, and AI has a lot to provide to retailers, whether big or small. There's a ton of value that retailers can extract through the use of AI. Um, in this video, I want to walk you through some examples, give you some ideas, without suggesting that this is an exhaustive list. This is not exhaustive by any stretch of the imagination, but I do hope that some of these examples they're going to help you come up with new ideas. And if you have any ideas that you like to explore, just feel free to drop us a message. So one of the first things that AI can help with, and Amazon is very famous for that, is improved inventory management. Okay, so technologies like forecasting powered by AI can help a lot in improving retail sales as well as managing logistics. Marketing. So I'd say that AI in marketing is one of the one of the best combinations ever made. A lot of businesses in retail and outside of retail are utilizing AI in marketing. Customer support as well. It feels like more and more customer support teams are being replaced by AI and obviously reduce the personal costs. So quite often 1 in 4 they go hand in hand. That is creating models to do things like forecasting and then using these to improve operational costs. Personalization is a huge one. This is something that we've been talking about this for years. Things like recommendation systems, targeted email marketing, personalized in-store experiences. There's some very interesting intersections in personalization with the metaverse as well. So all of these, they can play a very important role in the space of retail. Then optimizing inventory and supply chain management. So supply chains are the heart of retail. So whether you're a small or a big retailer, there are many parts of the chain that you can optimize, from optimizing demand and an allocation of different resources, inventory management, all the way to fraud detection, right? So obviously these are different use cases, but they all have something to do with supply chain management. So optimization as well, that's something else very important to mention. Big businesses, they're already spending a lot of money to optimize their supply chains, but now with AI, even smaller businesses, even a drop shipping business can optimize its supply chain using AI. Optimizing the in-store customer experience is another one, and I think the metaverse is going to play a very important role in this. From AI assistance to personalization, you can do all kinds of cool stuff. Like someone can walk into a clothes store, and the kiosk can understand their style, their body type, everything, and start recommending clothes, for example. So there are many cool applications there, as well as opportunities for companies to extract data from the customers, obviously with their consent, and then use it for improved personalization as well as recommendations. So automating repetitive tasks and improving efficiency is another one. That's probably more relevant for bigger businesses in places like warehouses and robotics, and for smaller businesses, probably around the area of AI assistance. So again, we mentioned customer service and inventory management. Pricing optimization and dynamic pricing are also very useful. It's something that we've been working on within the Tesseract Academy and consulting, as well as fraud detection. So obviously by doing this, you reduce costs and you improve margins, right? So this is actually a trend we've been seeing in smaller retail businesses. We've been seeing them turn from, let's say, 30 employees down to 10 through the use of AI. Finally, there are some ethical considerations, obviously, that need to be taken into account. And on one hand, while AI can help with some of them, like data security and data privacy, at the same time, it can cause other issues like transparency, or like issues with transparency or issues with accountability, right? So we're here to help you with all that. But in any case, it's very important to also mention these types of issues because they always need to be addressed. So what are the conclusions and the key takeaways? So AI and data science are no longer just optional for retailers, but they're kind of essential. The reason being that All retailers now, they're trying to use AI in one shape or form or another, and it's clear that being successful in your application of AI is going to give your business a competitive advantage. So the question is, how do you get started, right? So what's the best place to start from? How can you make the right decisions? How can you find the best return on investment? And this is what we help you with, right? So the goal of Tesseract Advisory and Consulting, which is a spin-off of the Tesseract Academy, is to help your business get AI ready. So if you want to know more about this and more about how we can help you, make sure to get in touch. I will be very happy to advise you. Thank you and hope to see you again soon.